Are you seeing various celebrities approaching Delhi High Court for personality right protection order again and again and wondering why? What exactly are personality rights protection and why are they suddenly becoming such a big legal issues in India? In this video, we will understand why personality rights are becoming one of the most important legal battles in the digital age. Friends, in today's digital era, personality rights have emerged as a crucial legal issue. Prominent names such as Gautam Gambhir, along with Amitabh Bachchan, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Salman Khan, Anil Kapoor, Kajol, Abhishek Bachchan, Vivek Oberoi, and R. Madhavan have all sought judicial intervention against the misuse of their identity. In simple terms, personality right mean that no one can use a person's name, face, voice, identity, or popularity without their consent, especially for commercial gain or promotional purposes. Although there is no single codified law in India specifically governing personal rights, they have evolved from Article 21 of the Constitution, which guarantees the right to life and personal liberty, including the right to privacy. Over time, courts have recognized that an individual's identity, such as their names, image, and voice, constitutes a form of intellectual and personal property. This becomes even more significant in the cases of celebrities whose popularities carries substantial commercial value. Companies often pay enormous sums to associate with them, and therefore any unauthorized use of their identity directly infringe upon their legal and economic rights. The sudden rise in such cases can largely be attributed to advancement in technology, particularly artificial intelligence and deepfake tools. Earlier, misuse of a person's identity was limited in scale, but today, artificial intelligence can replicate a person's face, voice, and expressions with astonishing accuracy. This has led to the creation of highly realistic fake videos in which celebrities appear to endorse products, make statements, or participate in activities they were never actually involved in. Such misuse can severely damage a celebrity's reputation and mislead the public. For instance, there have been multiple instances where the faces of actors or cricketers were used to promote online betting platforms, trading apps, or fraudulent investment schemes. Ordinary people trusting the apparent endorsement end up investing their money and later fall victim to fraud. This not only causes financial loss to the public but also tarnishes the credibility and image of the celebrity involved. It is in this context that personality rights have become critically very important. The Delhi High Court has emerged as a central forum in addressing these issues because it has delivered several strong and progressive judgments recognizing and enforcing personality rights. The court has consistently held that unauthorized use of a person's identity amounts to misappropriation and must be restrained. As a result, celebrities increasingly approach this court because it provides swift relief and robust legal protection. Another important aspect of this issue is commercial exploitation. A celebrity identity functions as a brand. Companies enter into endorsement agreements and pay significant fees precisely because of the influence and recognition associated with that particular individual. However, when a third party uses that identity without permission to sell products or services, it directly undermines the celebrity's economic interest and disrupts the integrity of the endorsement ecosystem. Preventing such misuse is essential to maintain fairness in the commercial landscape. When the Delhi High Court grants protection in personality right cases, the benefits are not merely symbolic, they are highly practical and impactful. Firstly, the celebrity gains a strong legal tool. Instead of filing multiple cases against each instance of misuse, a single court order can restrain a wide range of entities, including unknown parties. Secondly, such orders enable quick removal of infringing content. Celebrities can present the court order to digital platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or e-commerce websites, which are then compelled to act promptly. in presence of that particular court order. Thirdly, it ensures commercial control by preventing unauthorized parties from profiting off the celebrity's identity. And fourth, it safeguards reputation by allowing swift action against fake or defamatory content. On the other hand, if someone continues to use a celebrity's identity despite such a court order, the consequences can be severe. It may amount to contempt of court, which is a serious offense punishable by fines or even imprisonment. Additionally, the celebrity can file civil suit seeking damages and compensation, which can run into substantial amounts. If the misuse involves elements of fraud or deception, such as fake investment promotions, it can lead to criminal proceedings under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita and Information Technology Act. Not only that, courts today are also increasingly granting dynamic injunctions, allowing authorities to block newly emerging infringing content without requiring fresh litigation each time. So, meaning thereby, courts have now begun to recognize that identity itself is a valuable asset. Earlier, celebrities had to prove actual damage caused by misuse, but today, unauthorized use is considered inherently wrongful because it exploits a commercially valuable persona. In simple terms, a court order in such cases act as both a shield and a sword. A shield to protect the celebrity's image and a sword to take strict action against violators. So this is precisely why more and more celebrities are approaching the courts. And of course, in the age of artificial intelligence and deepfakes, where anyone can fabricate highly convincing content, such legal protection has become indispensable. The evolving jurisprudence of Delhi High Court reflects the judiciary awareness of these challenges and its effort to adapt legal principles to modern realities. Ultimately, while these cases often involve celebrities due to their high commercial value, the underlying principle applies universally. An individual's identity belongs to them and no one has the right to exploit it without their consent. This fundamental idea lies at the heart of the growing discourse on personality rights and explains why the issue has gained such a prominence in recent times. What's your opinion on personal right protection order? Let us know through comment. Thanks for watching.